Hello friends, today I will show you how to fix one common Android Studio error. This generally appears when you import a project into your Android Studio. I will give you 3 different solutions to fix this error. So this is the error: could not resolve all files for configurations. Most of you can fix this error with the first solution itself, that is adding Google property in your build.gradle file. And here one more thing, if the Google property is already available, make sure that it is added in the first position in the repositories. So this way you have to add Google. So now sync. Gradle project sync is successful. Now make the build. Oh, the problem is not solved. So now we will go to the second solution, that is adding the class path with the latest Android Gradle plugin. So always make sure for any project you have to have Android Gradle plugin version, the latest version. So I have changed it to the latest version, that is 7.0.3, and I am making the build once again. Okay, I have changed the Gradle plugin version but not the Gradle version. So it is recommending me to change Gradle version also, that is from 5.4.1 to 7.0.2. This one you can find it in Gradle wrapper.properties file. So let me change in the project structure. Gradle version 7.0.2. Okay. So again making the build. One important point I have to mention here: when you are selecting Android Gradle plugin version or Gradle version, make sure that you select stable version instead of these alpha or beta versions. Select stable versions like 7.0.3. Okay, build is successful, but there is an error, that is failed to load the following SDK components. So I am installing the missing SDK packages. Okay, make the build. Oh, the problem is not solved still, and it created the same problem with version 7.0.3. So now we will go to the third solution, that is Android recommendations. So it recommended possible solution is disable offline mode and rerun the build. Now go to Android Studio preferences and build tools. Here in the build tools, if you go to Gradle, if you are using older Android Studio versions, you can find a offline work checkbox there. So you have to uncheck the offline work and rerun the build. Otherwise, go to compiler. If command line options is set as offline, remove that offline and rerun the build. Yes, this time the build is successful without any errors, but there is a simple warning that can be ignored. So solution number 3 is worked for me, that is disabling offline mode. Now I am running the app. It is installing the application on the emulator. Application installed successfully. Let me know which solution has solved your problem in your Android Studio, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.